William Savoy here. I want to talk about lost clients, inputting them into the Power to Salt for the month that you're in, right here. So basically with this one, outbound call center manager, this is going to be more something that we have to do in-house on our side because we require the person that's canceled to meet with us. Basically, you're going to come in here and you're going to go 3B pillars light. And according to this, we lost 6 people, right? 6 people this week. That's accumulation of probably weeks before. And you need to identify who those people are. All you got to do is, if you go in your pipeline report, go to your client cancellation, find the correct month. And when you find the correct month, you're going to come in here and you're going to put it, first you'll input your number. So you got 6. We're going to put 6 here, right? And then your quarterly actual, you're actually going to come here and your quarterly actual is going to tell you that we've lost 6 people. We've lost 6 people for the quarter, quarterly actual 6. And there we go. Now your job again, if you look at the at how I want this, you're going to input the person, William Savoy Boot Camp 150 225 client is moving, right? So that's how I want the data presented, and that's how we'll present it. So what we're going to do is you'll come in here. Now obviously this isn't filled out. I'm going to get the staff to update this today. But if I go back to Jan 2020, December 19th, Victoria Boy, I got all these people in here. So let's just say this is for March. Identify your date row range, and we're going to come in here, and I'm just going to write one. So one of our 6 is Victoria Bray. But again, she doesn't fit here. We're just going to say she does. Insert, link. Oh, I'm sorry. Insert, comment, number 1, Victoria Bray. And then after that, you're going to put core offer. Victoria Bray was a boot camper. It says it right there. What kind of CO? And she paid her price. Victoria paid $150. And then my next thing that I need is Victoria's last billing date. So last date 2/10 or 12/10. And then the last thing that I'm looking for is why she quit. And Victoria quit. It says per William, and the reason that she quit is because she moved. I just knew that personally. I'll get the staff to, I'll get client to write a different example. But there you go. I want to know that 150 is lost. So first name, what she did at the gym, the price, the last time that money's going to come out the account. Very, very important. Last time the money's going to come out of the account, client moved. I'm going to click comment. So again, I should see 6 comments located in this box for the client list. And there you go.